Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Waris Electronics YouTube channel. This is China battery charger 30 ampere. How to repair fault of China battery charger circuit. This is 30 ampere China battery charger. Today we will repair a secret fault of this charger. Its components are China made, but this is assembled in Pakistan. Fuse is not burned, working properly, and bridge rectifier and main capacitor 450 volt are also okay. This side there are two main FETs, big size 20 and 60, and these are looking in good position. And this Zener diode 24 volt is broken, but this is not necessary. This is only for safety purpose. In China chargers IC UC3843 PMW role is very important. Therefore, approximately this IC used in 90% China battery chargers. .47 resistances, a small diode and a blue color PF FETs. These are working good and not burned. Only this Zener diode is broken. I checked all the components of this circuit very carefully. Luckily, all components are okay, but circuit is still not working. Yes, DC side including double diodes, capacitor, etc. are all okay. Now we check the PCB back side. Tension finished. I have traced the fault. Yes, you can see that in PCB backside a copper line has burned. This is the only and main fault in this circuit. Now I connect the burned line via copper wire. This is DC 14 volt positive line. Yes, positive line was disconnected. Now fitting process of the circuit. Alhamdulillah, charger is charging battery, and you can see the fan is running very fast, and it shows volt and ampere.